নমস্কার দর্শক বন্ধুরা, রেপ স্পোর্টস বাংলায় আপনাদের সবাইকে স্বাগত। আমি এই মুহূর্তে আছি সালেগাঁও ফুটবল গ্রাউন্ডে এবং এই মুহূর্তে আমি একজনের সঙ্গে বসে আছি যার নতুন করে পরিচয়ের অপেক্ষা রাখে না। তাকে ইন্ডিয়ান ফুটবলে সবাই চেনে বা বিশেষ করে কলকাতা ময়दाने তাকে সবাই চেনে। हरमनजोत सिंह खाबरा। हरमन भाई, स्वागत है आपको रेप स्पोर्ट्स बांग्ला में। कि तो थोड़ा आपका रोल बताइए कि राजस्थान यूनाइटेड में।
सबसे पहले थैंक यू सो मच दादा, बहुत दिनों के बाद हम लोग मिला है और सबको मेरी तरफ से पूरा जितना फुटबॉल फ्रेटर्निटी है उनको मेरी तरफ से नमस्कार। बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आके, क्योंकि मैंने राजस्थान यूनाइटेड अभी ज्वाइन किया है एंड आई थिंक इट्स ऑलवेज आई ऑलवेज ट्राई टू बी लाइक being a player. I always try to help, the mostly as experienced player I'm trying to help. I will try to help surely to the youngsters, and there are many other kind of things which goes on the field as well. I'm going to help the team on the ground obviously, but then as well as a mentor we call it, or as well as I'm doing my A license third जो module है वो next month है. Then hopefully that when I'm going to complete it, and I'm trying to be more into coaching as well, and as well I'm going to learn the other tools uh, to be more professional, act as a different role to play in the team.
हरमन भाई, ऑब्वियसली बात जब आती है कि your golden past, I have to ask you because you are part of that golden era of West Bengal team. ट्रेवर मॉर्गन के टाइम में आप, पेन, मेहताब, क्या टीम था। मीन्स यू लिटरली वन ऑल द टूर्नामेंट्स इन क्लब फुटबॉल इन इंडिया एक्सेप्ट आई लीग। यस, यू वर सो क्लोज इन विनिंग दैट आई लीग, बट खैर, बट थोड़ा यू यू जब आप सोचते हो क्या लगता है?
Obviously, I'm very fortunate. I'm blessed, especially uh, East Bengal has given me that opportunity to be known as a Khabra in Indian football, and I will be always have that gratitude. The people they have given me the love, to my family, to me. I always have a gratitude for that. But the thing is, yes, that time I think from 2009 to 16 it was a very peak time of golden time of East Bengal. What we have enjoyed after that, even second spell, I've been there after 8 years playing with BFC. After that, Kerala Blasters, I had another opportunity to represent the red and gold again, and we reached the Durand Cup finals, won the Super Cup. That color really, that red and gold color really gives me another motivation. Especially I have won all the tournament like you said, but another thing is that the only missing trophy is I League, and this is a, we can say like I have taken this opportunity as just to be a, because second division I League bhi jeeta hai, TFA mein jeeta hai, then it's like this is the only trophy which I am missing in my cabinet, and obviously, and I will try to play my role at the best. And Mehtab, yeah, Trevor Morgan, what he has played a role in East Bengal to their people, everybody knows in Indian football. Mehtab and me, Pen Orji, even there are so many other players, Sanju Pradhan, Paite, there were many other players. So we were like, we fought, we loved being red and gold players, and people when they call us with the okay, ঘরের ছেলে বলে তাহলে আমাকে কিছু কিছু বাংলা বলতে পারি, কিন্তু এটা ভালো লাগে, अच्छा लगता है कि so obviously I'm missing them. People they whenever they travel for their vacation to the hill station, but I travel to Calcutta normally.
You keep in touch with them, that golden
Yeah,
team?
we meet them because we had some few occasions, like we had last World Cup, we were all together, mostly players, Bengali players. Nabi was there, Mehta was there, Albito, they were senior to me, but anyhow, at 100 years of century of East Bengal, I was there, they called me, and I think that is that really makes me so much blessed that what I have done in the past. But anyways, that is the past now. There's another role I'm trying to learn now. Obviously, hopefully, I will be there just to play another role in coming years.
हरमन, ऑब्वियसली आपने गोल्डन पीरियड के बारे में कहा, बट in recent past East Bengal have not done well. Means obviously काफी कुछ खराब टाइम चल रहा है क्लब का. ISL में जब से ISL में वो आए हैं East Bengal, they have failed to dominate means compared to मोहन बगान. तो ये कितना হার্ট करता है आपको क्योंकि आपने कहा कि আমি ঘরের ছেলে আমি ইস্ট বেঙ্গলের ঘরের ছেলে बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू ईस्ट बंगाल हाउ हर्टिंग इज इट जब तो आप देखते हो कि ईस्ट बंगाल अच्छा नहीं कर पा रहा है तो. और हाल ही में जो कल सुपर कप का पहला मैच में भी वो टेम्पो के साथ भी एकेडमी का जो टीम के साथ ये टेम्पो टीम फॉर्म किया उनके साथ भी ड्रॉ किया. तो हरमन जो खाबरा क्या कहते हैं?
बीइंग अ सपोर्टर एंड स्पेक्टर यही बोल सकता हूँ क्योंकि इट्स नॉट इजी टू प्ले इन रेड एंड गोल्ड जर्सी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, क्योंकि dressing room plays a big role. I think whoever is there respectfully, due to respect to them, they are playing, I think, their best just to make a best team, and they are doing that. And it's not easy to to beat the rivalries, because especially when they are already upper hand and they are winning the trophies, that makes another pressure from the supporters side, that like they are not winning anything, and it makes very difficult for the newcomers, new players to make a good effect in a shortest time. But anyways, but this is how football is. This is how professionally, when if you that's why Indian football, if you play East Bengal, Mohun Bagan matches, that makes you a real player. For me, so this is, if you are being a professional, I can only urge to the players, whoever is representing red and gold, if you are if you are wearing that T-shirt, then it means you have to give your more than, it's not about hard 100%, you have to give your more than 100%, and that the supporter, they deserve a lot. And hopefully, uh, obviously, Nituda and co and sponsors, Imami, they are trying their best. Imami, they are trying their best to sign the players. In latest year we have seen there were big signings. Only the thing is, they some of them, they were trying, because it's a team game. And
बट बाहर से देख के क्या लगता है कि क्या कमी है इस टीम में कंपेयर टू व्हाट इट वाज मींस ड्यूरिंग द गोल्डन पीरियड?
I think that really needs to be a consistent. Consistency has to be there. Every player has to take the responsibility in the dressing room. If I remember, when even 1 year back I was there with the East Bengal, the most important is how you create the atmosphere in the dressing room. That environment
Do
really.
you think that is somewhat missing?
I don't know, because I'm not there from the past 1 year. I was not there. So then, but I still remember when I came. There were many things we used to do when 2009 to 16 spell I was there, and we changed, and they really made a big impact to the team, to the players, to make them understand where they are, and what they are going to get when they are going to play good, and how to absorb the pressure when you are not winning, when you are not having a good result. Sometimes you playing good performances, but you are not getting a result. Like every opponent is very important. If you play, every training session has to be very important, and I think player needs to understand as soon as possible, because this is a golden time for them also. And this opportunity never comes again and again in their life, to keep representing the big clubs.
अरुण भाई, आपने कहा कि ऑब्वियसली एक टाइम था व्हेन ईस्ट बंगाल कॉम्पिटेड विद मोहन बगान. मींस एक मैच मोहन बगान जीतता था तो अगला मैच ईस्ट बंगाल केम बैक स्ट्रांगली. वो जो कॉम्पिटिटिवनेस था वो is somewhat missing in last few seasons.
I think whatever कुछ भी हो जाए, it's not about that कि मैं for sure I love East Bengal, but when you play derbies, you don't need to be a big signings. It's all about how emotionally, how much you know the emotions of the supporters, because it's all about how much you are giving on the field. एंड कभी भी इसमें ये नहीं होता कि कितना भारी बैग आपको पैसे का मिला है. ये माना जाता है, मेरा बिलीव ये है कि कोई भी यंगस्टर भी अगर कोई उतरता है, उसको ये मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी अ बी अ बेस्ट ऑन द फील्ड, स्पेशली इन दिस बिग गेम्स. और मेरे को लग रहा है कि कहीं ना कहीं प्लेयर psychologically they have to also exercise themselves, practice themselves, so they can easily respond for just to whatever the supporters are demanding, staff is demanding, or nobody wants to lose. But anyways, new coaches comes, they have their own philosophy. Whoever comes, it's not about the system, it's about how much desire and dedication you shows on the field.
और आखिरी सवाल ऑब्वियसली कल चेन्नई एफसी के साथ मैच है ईस्ट बंगाल का, मगर the big match coming up is on the 31st of October. East Bengal Mohunbagan. Obviously, we know in the recent derby in the IFA Shield final, East Bengal did play very well, but eventually it was Mohunbagan who won that IFA Shield in tiebreakers. So, what, according to former East Bengal star Harmanjot Singh Khabra, what would be your message? And बाहर से क्या लग रहा है? What does East Bengal players need to do? Oscar Bruzo need to tell his boys क्या करना है, means so as to settle the scores with मोहन बगान, क्योंकि हमेशा
think
मोहन बगान जीत के जाएगा ये तो हो नहीं सकता.
I think instead of ये, if you think about that making a pressure, अगर आप सोच लो तो बहुत कुछ है, नहीं सोचो तो कुछ भी नहीं है. सबसे पहली बात है कि आपको प्रेशर को कैसे अवॉइड करना है. एंड यू हैव टू बी, इफ यू आर just want to be, it's all about duels, winning the small battles, and that makes a big difference because small details really matters a lot. Whatever the coach is asking you to do, just play that role, and after all that will be coach's responsibility to choose the best team. And players के हिसाब से मेरे को यही है. It's easy to now I'm becoming I'm trying to be learning another role. It's easy to be a player, making a judgments, but as a coach it's a big responsibility, and especially in these big clubs. मेरा यही मैसेज आएगा ईस्ट बंगाल प्लेयर्स को कि you have to be, whatever the duel comes, it never matter like how much money you have got, how much your price tag is. It's all about who is winning that duel. That is very important. That will make you a difference, whatever, how many years you're going to play there for that t-shirt.
What's your assessment of Oscar Bruzo as a coach?
Yeah, he's a good coach, and it's not easy to be even making a certain changes after that, having a different kind of atmosphere, and the team is in a losing hand. After that, you're taking charge of that team, and my best wishes to him, and he's doing great. I think uh, East Bengal will be having a positive result in that match, and it doesn't matter whatever has happened in the other fixtures. And if you anyone Chennai FC, I have played also. That is also my team, and I have played there. Obviously, but always it has to be like, I want Red and Gold has to perform better, but so they can rely the pressure on the other team.
क्या मैसेज है आपका इस बॉल का, जो फैंस जो दिख रहा है, हरमनजोत सिंह खबरा का क्या मैसेज है तो अमागो फैंस?
Uh, Especially to the Red and Gold, all Mago fans, keep supporting the team. They really need you in this hardest time, because last when I came there before that, even still there was not positive results. Still you are, and now it's not a, the best thing of the bad time is it never lasts so long. So now the good time is going to come. Keep supporting them. Keep especially with the positive comments on the social media, that really affects. I think especially whatever you put it there, and just make them feel that you are there. And like, remember when we won Super Cup, you all came to receive us on the airport. That is the real gold. I have been get respected by, and I hope that we will win.
জয় ইস্ট বেঙ্গল.
Joy East Bengal.
তো আপনারা শুনলেন হরমনজোত সিং খাবরার মুখে যে তিনিও চান যে ইস্ট বেঙ্গল রিভাইভ, সেই রিভাইভালটা আবার আসুক, এবং সামনেই যে 31শে অক্টোবর ডার্বি আছে সেই ডার্বি জয় দিয়েই। তো এভাবেই দেখতে থাকুন রেড স্পোর্টস বাংলা, এবং সুপার কাপ জুড়ে যাবতীয় ফুটবলের আপডেট পেতে অবশ্যই চোখ রাখুন আমাদের চ্যানেলে। আমি দেবাশিস আপাতত সাইন অফ করছি, ধন্যবাদ।
Thank you.